Girl, listen, you've been a hard worker all year, honey. You deserve this. You've been paying your bills on time. You've been being nice. You probably on Santa's good list, okay? You've been doing your workouts. You've been eating right. You have been good to your neighbors. You have been holding your temperament. Girl, treat yourself to one of these wigs, okay?
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, everybody? What's up, guys? I know this about to be a win-win, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Every time you put on one of these wigs, okay, girl, every time you put on one of these wigs for my first wig, girl, it's like you doing it like it's your B-day, honey. Like, seriously, you won't know what to do with yourself. Like, you already know it's a win-win. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are having like a really great day today. You know, relaxing, got your feet up. I can't complain. As long as I woke up, there is really nothing to complain about. So with that being said, we're going to just jump right into this unit. My first wigs, anyone could wear wigs for my first wig. But the best thing about it is you can get a wig that you don't even have to do anything. The wig could basically do all the work for you. Honey, child. When I say the wig is going to do all the work for you, meaning the only thing you have to do is just like cut the lace off and put it on. Like, it's just that simple. One of the new lace fronts that they got to offer, which is the air lace. Air lace is thinner lace. It's definitely durable. This is thin, good lace, baby. Okay? Thin, good lace. It's more breathable, so your scalp is going to get so much more air through it. Ventilated, honey. So that way you can think better. Just think. Just think. My first wig's air lace is definitely one that you will like. And on that note, I'll see y'all in a minute.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you're like a pick and chooser. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one to pay for drinks, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. Got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot. Do you really want me? Maybe you're just playing. The way you're making it move, yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, yeah.
Girl, let me tell y'all, this lace look like it's like see-through. Like, when I tell y'all it look like it's see-through, like, I had the wig up, like just looking through it, and I swear to you, the cap looks just like it's like, you can just like see through it. Like, it's like a window, like glass. They should call this glass. I mean, I guess you would call it air. Either way, it's some nice lace. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see this hairline? Do you see all of that parting? Like, this wig is ready to go, baby. A black elastic band pre-sewn into it, which is a must. Now, do y'all see what I'm talking about with this lace? Do y'all see this lace? It's like a see-through. You remember back in the days when lace wigs were not see-through like this? They were not like this. This is like some real, like, overtime evolvement. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on because I'm excited to see what it is. Plus, I love the color of the unit too. Now, if I wanted to kind of like tone it down, I would have just used some purple shampoo and it would have kind of toned the color down a little bit more, but I kind of like it in this field, so let's go for it.
Let's do this. Do it like it's Brutus. Do it like it's your B-Day. What? Do it like it's your B-Day. Okay, you guys, what's up? So right now, I'm about to do this voiceover. I got this little special lady sitting on my lap. So in case you hear a little babbling in the background, we got Potato, Princess Nevaeh, Princess Tato Tot in the house, okay? But in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna do it like it's our B-Day with this My First Wigs. I know y'all see that hairline, or maybe you don't, but do y'all see how crystal clear, invisible this lace is? Honey, look at that. Best wig ever, okay? Best wig ever. If you want to get a wig for the first time, honey, do it like it's your B-Day and go ahead to My First Wigs and get sexy with their wigs, okay? This wig is by far a really, really cute, honey. Do y'all see that color? Do you see that melted air lace? Now, in case y'all confused about what the air lace is, it's just what it say it is. Crystal clear, see-through, lightweight, durable, make you forget you got on a wig for the day. And I'm not going to glue or hairspray the whole thing down, but what I am going to do is just hairspray my sideburn hairs down. And I'm also going to be using this Marc Anthony styling foam. I'm a multitask actually, because you want to make sure before you stick down any lace that the sides, the hairspray has become tacky. Do you see how tacky that is? That's what you call tacky from OC Instant Freeze. Yes, that hairspray is good, girl. Don't let it fool you just because it's like $4. It's some good ass hairspray. Now the styling foam, you see it hasn't drip dropped, it hasn't turned to any type of watery substance. This is actually a really good foam. It just ought to be for like $10, right? This is not going to adhere, it's not going to stick it down. This is just to make it look like it's growing out of scalp. Out of my scalp, out of your scalp, out of your mama's scalp, out of your baby scalp, out of whoever's scalp. This helps it make it look more natural than opposed to just laying there. So that is the reason why I do what I do, boo, with this styling foam, okay? So you guys already know the rest. We're going to get into this. We're going to style and profile, and we're going to do it like it's our B-Day.
Come dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000, now my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah. Have you ever fun like this? Long, the look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, we're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, we're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that, been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that, yeah. Can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes.
All right, you guys. So this wig is absolutely beautiful. Do y'all see the hairline? Do y'all see how perfect this wig is? Perfect. Okay. I like the color. I like the curl pattern. I like the density. Girl, I am loving the lace. Okay. My favorite part of this wig is the actual lace because it is so see-through. Air lace, perfect lace. This lace is like, look at this. Okay, girl. Look. This wig is giving me, oh yes, confidence, okay? You know how you have like those bad days that you're just trying to find like the perfect hairstyle, the perfect wig that's not too much work? Like, I'm not that type of person who want to get up every day and just do the most. Like, I love to look nice. I like to look put together. I really do. But I really don't like to stand there and glue or hairspray down a wig every day. So just to be able to just have to do just these parts is perfect for me, because as you guys can see, I did not apply any hairspray to this unit, okay? So it's just laying nicely on my hairline. But the one thing that I do like to do is make sure that my sideburns are, you know, more or less hairspray down. Girl, get you some, all right? Amazon Prime will have you hooked all the time. But the best thing about this is it doesn't get watery within like seconds of dispersing it from the can. So that's my favorite thing about this hair. I like to use it on like my edges, my sideburn hairs, my baby hairs. I like it because it doesn't make your hair like crunchy or anything like that. But girl, look, okay, my first wigs, they did the damn thing with this one. Look how natural it looks. You could just wear it up like this on the side. And that's what I wanted to do, because I felt like I'm just like, girl, I'm gonna show the sides. So hey. Like, I mean, if you want to wear it down, you can do that too. But I just thought like wearing it like this for the video was absolutely cute. The hair color is bomb as hell. Girl, if you ain't never had a MyFirstWig wig before, you best to treat yourself for one right now. Christmas, the holidays is about to come. So treat yourself. You've been, girl, listen, you've been a hard worker all year, honey. You deserve this. You've been paying your bills on time. You've been being nice. You probably on Santa's good list, okay? You've been doing your workouts. You've been eating right. You have been good to your neighbors. You have been holding your temperament. Girl, treat yourself to one of these wigs, okay? If anything, get yourself a MyFirstWig wigs. I'm just saying. But on that note, let me know what y'all think about this new one right here. Girl, is she popping or what? Like, I'm just saying, MyFirstWigs be coming through, okay? And I'm really liking this new too. Ooh. I love you guys. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, you know, show some love. I will see y'all in the next one. All the information in the description box below.